I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, and welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. And as usual, we don come with breaking news. And no be lie, my good people, news just full ground like say na sansan. Things dey happen well for inside we nation o, especially for inside Edo State. You know say right now, I believe say men go just sit down one side. They go dey sip one or two, dey observe the things and things wey dey happen for the tribunal. They go dey observe the film wey dey happen for inside Edo State. And no be lie, you know say like this now, the APC and the People's Democratic Party, they don dey talk against theirself. The APC dey call PDP cry baby, say they dey cry for mandate wey no be their own. While PDP dey call APC bullies, say they don go rig election wey they no fit come outside come defend. And like this now, my good people, on Tuesday wey be the 11th day of February for inside this year 2025, one countryman wey dey go by the name Chris, he na the spokesperson of the People's Democratic Party for inside Edo State. He sef come drop statement about the matter. According to how Oga Chris take yarn for inside the statement, he said the All Progressive Congress wey dey for inside Edo State, currently the party is in complete disarray. The party is gripped by palpable tension because they no fit defend the brazen heist of the September 21st governorship election, from which they were the sole beneficiaries. And now they don realize and say they no go fit defend the indefensible. The APC now don dey resort to outlandish propaganda. They don dey twist facts and they don dey tell unintelligent lies for inside social media in a desperate and devious attempt to go dey mask their obvious failure and to manipulate public perception. No be small matter, my good people. Oga Chris constantly proceed further dey yarn say one of the witnesses of Monday Okpebolo ironically admit am for inside court on Monday, say there were overvoting during the election, and maybe you no suppose talk those kind levels because the witness of a respondent supposed to talk things and things wey go favour the respondent. But this particular witness, maybe he take something before he enter courtroom, he come go talk something wey favour the petitioners. Normally those kind level, e no make sense. But the PDP, they go dey happy say he talk those kind of things because to them it makes sense. But to the respondents wey be Monday Okpebolo, e no make sense at all. And now Oga Chris, they dey jubilate say this man talk this kind level. He sef come dey talk say no get any amount of delay or propaganda wey the APC wan bring come wey go change the fact say the last governorship election wey dem conduct for inside Edo State na dem rig am. And he say like this now, the general public, the full Edo State, dey wait for the judiciary to correct the wrong that was done during the election. And he still proceed further dey yarn say the current governor of Edo State wey be Senator Monday Okpebolo, he no get business sitting as governor for inside office. Nothing supposed to concern am with governor of Edo State because he no follow the right means, he no follow the right road, the legitimate pattern to take enter office. And no be lie, my good people, this case now be this matter dey for tribunal their table. E just get plenty gbas, and the thing start last week when the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC, they come go abandon their own declaration, and the very institution wey declare say na the All Progressive Congress and their candidate wey be Senator Monday Okpebolo na be the winners of the governorship election. Now the thing shock everybody. E shock the PDP, e shock the tribunal, e even shock the APC sef say INEC they no fit defend their own declaration. Dem fail to call a single witness after they don promise say they go call witness come board. Now like say that drama was not enough, like say that film no dey enough for country people to take laugh get joy, they come release season 2. And in season 2 na the witness wey the second respondent wey be Monday Okpebolo carry come the tribunal on Monday this week. Now he come back see if this man take something, he come back see if he be no dey alright, he be no dey in his normal consciousness. When they be dey tell am say when he enter court, he go talk in our favour, he go talk things and things wey go promote the case of the respondent. Try make you prove say yes, the Edo State election na legit something. This man be no dey lis ten to all this advice wey they dey tell am. E like say he no lis ten am proper, he no hear well. When he go court, when he don enter courtroom, when he don enter the tribunal, He just go dey talk the opposite of everything wey dem send am to go talk. Him go there go dey confess say my lord yes overvoting happen for the election. Yes, overvoting happen for my unit especially, my polling unit. Yes, e happen. And na because of dis witness confession na make the respondent wey be Monday Okpebolo no kukuma just call the remaining witnesses. Yes, you know say normally na 5 witness na im carry come the tribunal, but sake of say dis first one don go do things wey dem no understand, so to come dey avoid more gbese, to come dey avoid more kasala, make e no be say the remaining 4 witness dey come to perform their own too, na im kukuma say e don do. Make e be say dem close the case with the things and things wey the first respondent abi the first witness talk for inside the tribunal. Meanwhile, the All Progressive Congress dey just dey one side, dem no fit believe their eye, dem no fit believe wetin their ear dey lis ten. Dem kukuma rush go dey beg the tribunal say my lord based on how things don be now, we no even believe ourselves say this first witness the thing go end like this, because na 5 witness na im respondent Monday Okpebolo bin talk say e go carry come. So we no been prepare say we go start our own abi we go open our own case today wey be Monday. Just give us small time make we see how far e go fit go, make we go organize our own witnesses. Tribunal come be like okay since una want am like that, so shall it be. But my good people, I believe say all of us now we don dey observe proper, we don dey know where this case dey go, we don dey know the direction wey im dey waka dey go small small. Evidence now don dey ground, and that evidence na the Gbas machine, and the evidence dey for the tribunal their hand. Make we sef use our tongue count our teeth, make we sef crack our brain, make we sef conclude am by ourselves, although na the tribunal na get the final say, and currently all eyes dey on the tribunal, because with all these things now wey dey play out, we just dey wait for the All Progressive Congress to open their case, make dem talk their talk, make we know how the thing wan take finalize. But with how things dey go now, I believe say the thing dey go in favour of the People's Democratic Party and their candidate wey be Asue Ighodalo, wey be the petitioners. But how the thing be you for body? You sef dey reason am say Monday Okpebolo no get business for inside office as governor of Edo State, abi you dey support the APC, you dey support Monday Okpebolo, and you dey yarn say the petition wey the PDP dem carry come no be case. E fit be say last the witness wey the All Progressive Congress go carry come the tribunal go kuku turn the case around in their favour. But anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be reality latest gist, na we dey like give una reality latest on the koko wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria, especially about politics. So if you like this our updates dem and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more reality latest dey come your way, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp sharp. I dey come with more updates for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.